Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at TTCF, Tattooed Chef. I absolutely love this company. Massive growth in the past quarters and massive growth on the horizon. So, you can see I'm in the money a bit. I got paid $1 to sell this put at 17, and it's currently, the price is at $16.93. So I'm definitely making a profit. I'm not sure I want to try to roll this. I might just take the money and run. You can see at the $20 put, I got paid $3.60, so I'm still in the money. I might try to roll it, but I'm not going to do anything yet. It's still early in the day. I think I'm just going to let these things ride out, take their course, reduce my cost basis overall, and take the stock. Tell me what you guys think, if that's a good strategy. I'm really bullish on Tattooed Chef, so I'm building my position. You can see here, I already have 500 shares long, and this will make 800 shares long to my goal of 1,000 shares long. That's what I'm trying to get, so I want to be there. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe and go check out my separate Tattooed Chef video. Thanks for watching.